Yes.
Yeah, I love
Yes.
Santa.
Okay, so.
Do you like Santa?
Yeah, well, Santa.
Okay, so Santa, Santa,
Santa, Santa,
where are you?
where are you?
Santa, Santa,
Santa, Santa,
where are you?
where are you?
Are you on the rooftop?
Are you on the rooftop?
Are you under the tree?
Are you under the tree?
Are you in the sleigh?
Are you in the sleigh?
Are you on the shelf?
Are you on the shelf?
So, what do you think?
I think Santa is on the tree.
He's on the tree?
Yes.
Okay, so let's look. No.
Oh,
It's
you
an
got
elf.
it now.
It's an L. It's an L.
So,
Okay.
I know, I
it's
know.
not Santa.
I know.
What do you think? So,
I think Santa is under the rooftop.
under the rooftop? Let's check. No.
Ah.
You have an elf.
Ah, you're not good. Look. I think Santa is on the sleigh.
He's on the sleigh?
On the sleigh. On the
Okay.
sleigh. Yes.
No. It's an elf.
I know.
Yes?
I think Santa is on the rooftop.
On the rooftop?
On the rooftop.
It's Santa!
Yes, I win.
Oh, wait. I think Santa is in the sleigh.
He's in the sleigh?
In the sleigh.
Let's
Yes.
check. Yes!
Yes.
It's Santa.
No. I know.
Okay.
I think Santa is under the tree.
Under the tree?
Yes.
Let's look. Yes!
2 for
Nice.
me.
Wait.
There's one more.
I think Santa is in the shelf.
In the shelf?
Okay.
That's an elf.
I know.
Yes?
I think Santa is on the shelf.
On the shelf?
Mm-hmm.
Let's check. Yes!
3, 2, 3, 2, 3.
Three and
3
one.
for me.
Three.
Good job. It's a good game. Good game. Thanks.
Okay.
Bye.